Okay, so first thing I'm going to just take these strips and sew them together. I'm going to put right sides together as I go down the row. I'm using my 1/4 inch presser foot with the guide on the side to make it a lot easier to keep a nice straight 1/4 inch seam. So I'll go through this, sew this one together. Now I'm using a smaller stitch length when I do this. Make sure you do that, because what will happen when we get to putting it together, the seams will start to come apart very easily when you are handling it. So a smaller stitch per inch. I've got mine set at about a 1.5 on my machine, which would be good for yours as well. Okay, so I've sewn my seam, sewn these two together. I'm going to press as I go. I think this is important. I think this is maybe one reason why my thing went curvy, was because I waited to the end to press it and they started to go very wonky for some reason. So I'm going to go ahead and press it, and this is one of the very few times when we're going to press our seam open. Okay, you see that? So I'm pressing it open, as you can see, and I want to make sure I'm pressing it as straight as I can without curving this long strip. Okay, and if you want, you can always use some best press to make sure you get a really nice flat seam. So I'm going to use a little bit of best press on the outside and make sure it's flat. Okay, so this is the first one. I'm going to do this to every other strip, and we will sew the big block together, and then we'll come back at the end of that.